Have you ever pondered the enigma that is life? What makes us who we are? What shapes the color of our eyes, the texture of our hair, or even the complexity of our thoughts? The answer is as intricate as life itself: DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint of life. It's a molecule, a tiny bit of matter, but its role is gigantic. It's the grand architect that designs every living entity on this planet, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, from plants to humans. Think of DNA as the world's most complex instruction manual. It's written in a language so universal, yet so intricate, that every living organism uses it. This manual guides the formation and functioning of life. It determines the structure, function, and growth of an organism, dictating everything from the color of a butterfly's wings to the height of a redwood tree. Each DNA molecule is made up of two strands, coiled around each other in the famous double helix. These strands are composed of four different types of building blocks, or bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. It's the unique order of these bases that spells out the instructions for life. Now, imagine a long and winding staircase with each step representing one of these bases. The sequence of these steps, or bases, forms the code of life. It's like a recipe where each ingredient has its place and role. Change one ingredient and you might end up with a completely different dish. Similarly, a small change in the sequence of these bases can lead to significant differences in an organism. But DNA doesn't work alone. It requires a team of molecular machinery to read and interpret its instructions. These machines, known as proteins, are also products of DNA. It's a beautiful cycle where DNA encodes the instructions to build proteins, and proteins, in turn, help read and execute the instructions in the DNA. So, to sum it up, DNA is the master blueprint of life. It's a complex molecule that contains the instructions for building and operating every living organism. Its language, written in sequences of four bases, is universal yet unique to each individual. The proteins, also a product of DNA, help in reading and executing these instructions. It's a marvelous system, a testament to the complexity and beauty of life. DNA is the thread that weaves the tapestry of life, connecting all living things in a grand design. It's the answer to the mystery of life, the key to understanding what makes us who we are. As we continue to unravel the secrets of DNA, we get closer to understanding the essence of life itself. It's an exciting journey filled with discoveries that not only help us understand ourselves better, but also hold the promise of improving our lives. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember, it's your DNA that makes you, you.